Alright, good day everybody. Join me as I log into my Google AdSense account today. Okay, let's wait. Alright, sorry, my network is a bit slow. Okay, so you can see on our dashboard, you can see the was and balance. You can see this month what we've made so far. You have seen last 7 days. We have seen our CS today, and you have seen today so far. So you have seen that we are reaching our targets for the month. We said it's $25,000. We are going to work on this account, and we are reaching that $25,000 for the month. Okay, if you can look from here. By the way, let me just refresh this. Refresh it so you know it's not a screenshot for those that are skeptical. Okay. All right. Wait. Let's hold on. All right. So if you can look at my performance for today so far, you're going to see that my CPC, my CTR, my impression, everything is high. You understand? You can see it for yourself that my CTR is even low. So from the account, you know that this method is not manual method, it's automation. Let me go use my channel, my YouTube channel. You understand? You see my previous videos. Can go back to my previous videos, watch my videos. You see that I've been talking about how I'm going to load on this account $25,000 this month. If you can scroll down, so you can see it. So you see my videos. So if you're new to this channel, like and subscribe. This Flicker Brains, we give you and we sell real and authentic automation method and manual method that are actually working. You understand? So if you want to learn how we do this, you can just click on the description box, contact us. We'll teach you, provide you with every materials that we use to perform this earnings. You understand? So this earnings also helps, it supports Google, because it also runs little traffic to the website that are organic too. You understand? We also have Twitter traffic that we also send to the website. So everything is going to be nice. It's not something that you face, or it's not this type of loading that after loading at the end of the month you start facing huge deductions. It's not this type of one. This loading method, you will not get banned, you will not get ad limits. You understand? So I believe I've said much so far. So if you want to learn this, you already know what to do. Always click on the description box. I'm always there waiting for you. Click on the description box, contact me, we'll talk. I'll know your problems and tell you the solutions to your problems. Alright, nevertheless, it's Mr. John from Flicker Brains. Like and subscribe, comment. If you're new, you subscribe and follow us for more insights like this.